Today's January 3rd, Wednesday. We have ISM numbers coming out at 10, Jolts job opening report coming out at 10, openings coming at 10, and FOMC today. So yesterday was pretty hell of a day. Emotional roller coaster. Did some crazy things yesterday, and not entirely. I'm not looking forward to doing those things again uh, today. I mean, I wasn't able to record it. That's the only downside to it, so won't be able to go back and analyze how crazy I went. But full disclosure, showing the Top Step accounts. I purchased a 50,000 account yesterday, and I blew it. As you can see here, right? Supposedly Top Step's coming out with a free reset today, so if anything, I'll just use it for that. The other account, I blew it twice. Uh, I reverted back to a habit that isn't related to trading. It just manifests itself in trading. It also manifested itself in my childhood, playing baseball, interactions with people. So it's a personal thing, not a trading thing. So I'll treat it as, personal. Holy Christ. Look at dollar. This drop from yesterday was insane. It hit that daily bearish order block and just died. And then we have this huge gap right here. Whew. So I am right about dollar and its route moving up. Nasdaq coming out for these lows on here. I think we're going to be drilling down again into, you know, we're at the constant encroachment of this this price leg right here. I do believe we can come down in here by the end of this week, so we'll see. So again, I am watching this top step. Keep an eye out for this. Doing their analysis. I'm not really looking at it. Um, Not sure what this is here for, but I'll disclose the position. I purchased a call option yesterday afternoon, and I have a target for here for SPY. Just give you an idea what SPY looks like. No, this isn't the correct SPY. Where's my SPY at? There we go. So, again, this is we're still in pre-market. Pre-market it's trading right here, pre-market. So I bought it damn near at the bottom, as I always do. And I believe this is the pre-market hours where it's trading right now. So um, I got my target right here at 46700. So a little bit dig within this fair value gap, these lows down here, and we'll see. We may have a reversal today, run back up, but I don't know. I would like to see this fair value gap remain open, and us digging into one of these fair value gaps down here. Maybe down into this bearish order block or bullish order block down here, and run back up and continue moving down. So we did have 4 standard deviations on the um, 4-hour manipulation leg, but if we look at this run in here, which is higher time frame objective, this is a weekly fair value gap, as we looked at last week. Um, we could see a our first bit of business, right around here. That's where we could get a retracement, small retracement, move sideways, and then we could get a completing the market maker sell model right in this area right here and continue moving. So, I mean, that could be the idea for first quarter of this year. Given that we do have dollar, we have this inefficiency here. We're delivering from this inefficiency, and I do believe we're going to inverse this inefficiency here and move into this inefficiency right in here, right? But at the end of the day, looking at 4 standard deviations, that's its terminus, which was the beginning of the or the end of the buy market maker buy model. 4 standard deviation is not quite near the well, it's kind of near the beginning of the market maker buy model, right? Right here. So end of the buy model, beginning of the buy model, terminus for both situations. So that's what I'm looking at. All right, moving over to I still understand why this is the way it is, but whatever. I'll just deal with it. So today, again, time and price, if the two aren't correlated, they're not looking the way they need to look, then I'm not taking a trade. I say that, but knowing me, I'm probably going to be looking for a little scalp little trade. I'll take with one contract. Again, I've reached my weekly goal of 4,000 or $2,000 a week. So there's really no need for me to take any low probability trade setups, and I'm just gonna just let time do the heavy lifting and go from there. All right, so as we looked in the other screen, we are circling near mean threshold of this price leg here. Discount will be lower within here, but we have a bunch of fair value gaps, and this was some strong price, energetic price move up last week before the New Year. So I do believe you could see some low resistance liquidity run coming down in here. So daily target, let's look at the week. There's a bunch of daily targets. So we do have the low of this fair value gap here um, on the weekly. We could see a move down to 50%, which is here. So we'll add this here as an alert. And I was doing a really good job at adding alerts. And the purpose of alerts will be to, look at the market, look to take a trade when we get to that point. If not, then all the trades we're taking will be little scout trades. Um, and by them being scalp trades, I'm not expecting more than 10 handles. And again, it's a scalp trade, so give a shit. All right, this is beautiful. So weekly target. This is the high of the um of S&P 500, and that's my target. So this is a very low hanging fruit target. Let's see if we can get there today. If we can get there today, let's see. Are you kidding me? No, that can't be right. Let's make this a little bit larger. 18, 18 points? I don't think you guys realize that. What is this? 47, 43? Oh, fuck yeah. Come on. Let's get there. I don't think you guys realize, but if we get there today, the projections for options that contract I purchase is going to be like a 400% move. Oh, it's about loans. I don't know. I respect those guys. They've been in the game longer than me, profitable longer than me. They have their model. I have been fortunate to have mine, which is another reason why we're not doing this crazy fighting the market type of stuff again. It's because if you are grateful for what you have, you'll treat it with much more respect than you currently are. This is what I'm teaching myself, telling myself. Oof, look at these lines. Look at all these lines. Let me add something here. QT. No, I don't like this QT. Talking about NASDAQ is going to lead us to the downside. I'm going to go with that. All right. Anyways, back to the 4 hour. We got to get rid of these things. They're just distracting me. Back to the 4 hour. See, weekly CB high. How we dug in there. And then we're coming down. Not sure if this is weekly constant encroachment, which we're definitely going to hit. Um, Previous week low. Take that out. We could see this as a breakaway gap, like this up here. And just like how we are looking for the Twinkies on the 1 minute, we do have a change in state of delivery up here on the 4 hour. And we're moving down. Okay, I'm cold. I gotta get my hoodie. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. They posted yet? Nah, they ain't posted yet. All right, anyways, back to this 4 hour. Um, Again, that 4 hour manipulation, like we hit that yesterday, right? Hit that yesterday, ran up, balance price range right here. So I just want to add this as like a balance price range. So why is the balance price moved in both directions? Balance price range. But that color is feo. That's ugly in Spanish. Whatever. Billions. All right, yeah, going down there. So where the next draw be? We could see 50% of this range here, right? Which is we're not too far off from it. There's a fair value gap here. So there's like a bunch of fair value gaps in here, right? I think the most important is to look at this price range right in here. And we are near 50% of this price range. So we can see here. I want to take these lows on there, although this was a manipulation. Run up, boom, take off. Here's 50%, so that links up with this. One may take it even down here, say this is where 50% is. So, and what day was this? This was a Tuesday, 6 a.m. And this could have been a data low. I don't know, 4 hour. I do believe this was the data low, the 12th. So this was yep, that was the data low. where we at? So again, part of my adversity is getting up and walking away instead of fighting the market. And what that means is we will need to um, practice getting up and walking away. That needs to become our superpower. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, taking high probability trade setups and walking away. So 50% of the that daily range is 52.42. So that lines up with the weekly constant encroachment. Wow. So we could definitely see a reversal there. At what time do you want to see the reversal? Right. I want to see reversal at Q1, Q2 of the second quarter. No, third quarter. Is that hard to remember? No. Is that what we're gonna do? Yes. Right. All right. Anyways, we have these lows on here. Still stuck within its range. Yes, it's just moving slowly. I do have this as my target. I want to see that be hit. God damn it, hit that motherfucker now. It's only 20 points, so be patient. And if it hits today, then I'm selling it. Robinhood, talking to you. What is this noise? Chicago. Hey, merchandise smart. I used to work right, not here, not at this intersection, but you see where these streets are going in and out. No, no, no. This is the post office. Ah, yeah. Homie James live over there down the block. Yeah, he used to. Year Rebels right around the corner. That's what this town looking like. It's overcast. I'll be back in Chicago, man, with a big smile on my face, man. I'm not gonna cap. I miss home. I think it's time for me to go back. I'm going back in February, so I want to go back with some good news for the fam. So that's what it come down to. Yeah, dig, yeah, dig. So we had four standard deviations yesterday. And then looking at our London session here, we got a huge down leg to downside and run up sideways. Took out Asia highs here, so this could be our manipulation. So do I see anything else on the hourly? I mean, we took those lows out. I had those lows as a target yesterday. They got hit. We have these lows right here, you know, as a target. Sell side liquidity. Then we have constant encroachment, and this is a data low. Um, and I gotta get this set up. I gotta work on that. Maybe I'll do that. Market just opened. 15. Now let's go back to the hourly on this chart. 15 here. All right, so looking at the options, today I'm up 34%. Well, I'm up 34%, period. Right now, came out the gate up 29%. So, all right, so I'm not doing my analysis. I'm not gonna lie, I got up kind of late. Bathroom calls, all that stuff is important. So, looking at the hourly right down here, close to that sell side liquidity, hit constant encroachment here on the hourly. This could be a play to go short. Bearish order block here. We already hit that already, so don't expect price to hit that again. Bearish order block. 1 hour. Bearish order block. Ooh, look at that. All right, so looking at, wait, where we at? 15. Come on. Why is it still thinking? All right, so London be getting manipulation. And if we look here, this looks like our manipulation leg up. 4 standard deviations right here. We just hit that, so we can expect a reversal right here on a lower time frame. I gotta reset my cache. I gotta clear it. Clear the cache. Clear the cache. And there we go. So I think so. We are in manipulation of Q3. Yep, this is Q3. We're in Q3 of Q3. Um, took these lows out here. Run up in this fair value gap here, and then premium came down, sideways up. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Let me take it. Let me take a trade. Oh, right. That's what goes on. It used to go on in my head. So this could turn into a bearish shorter block here if we can close below. That'll be the continuation of the chain and stay delivery. This will be confirmation remaining in trade. If we were running on the hourly level, like here, this bearish shorter block, this rejection, right? Run up, boom, fair value gap, high, low, premium, down, inverses fair value gap, ran back into the first fair value gap, and we're going to continue coming down. That's what I see. All right. So I'm bearish on the hourly 15 or 5. Well, that's a 15, right? And we came right down to 4 standard deviation. So hands off for now. We could look for retracement or we could look for a reversal. A retracement would be constant encroachment. It'll be 5 candle run up into an inefficiency and then move down. So we are moving sideways on, excuse me, on the 5. It's my little fair value gap we tapped into this morning, and we're just moving up and down on the hourly. So really nothing there. Um, 15. I like how you run into this fair value gap right in here. And run up, London, and run that down. So I don't know, people. I really don't see much of anything right now. We do have this manipulation in London. Hit 4 standard deviation. So right now, just pause. And boom. So what are we looking for on the 5? We'd be looking for a chain instead of delivery. We have a wick here on the 5, 15, 15. This is inverse, so let's see what happens when we get in there. Let's make this a little bit larger so we can see it. Fair value gap. So I went downstairs, used the bathroom, and I forgot to get my hoodie. Would you believe that? tested that bullish shorter block. So you can see this as a change in state of delivery on the 1 minute. But what did that tap into? Right. You usually want to see, at least for the Twinkies, you want to see a change in state of delivery after we tapped into the retracement leg or the expansion leg for the twin fair value gaps. And just look at this, how it just went from down here. That's 16 points. People's stop losses are like 20 points. My stop loss is 10. My take profit is 20 points. Bearish order block. Look at that very fair value gap that we just ran into. So I don't see any. So we took out sell side or buy side here. High, low, high, high, low, higher, high. Can someone see this as a change in state of delivery? I just move it sideways. I gotta get my hoodie. I'm cold. All right, back. So again, we look at a 1 minute time frame for an idea of where we can see an entry, but there's nothing on the 1 minute. It's a nice entry. Quick little scalp, 20 points. These are the trades you take. You got on the hourly, boom. But we just took out sell side here, and we open up here right now. We actually went up here first, then came down. So it's just moving sideways. We got news coming out at 10. Let's go out to a higher time frame. Again, these are the areas that have marked where we could see potential reversals, right? 15. This looks like a chain state delivery here. I got my little handy dandy fidget spinner. Here. Yeah. This is what I play with when I'm at my desk. Ain't shit there. Oh, it's my jam right here. I gotta make sure this the real J Big because I seen two profiles out there. Yeah, I'm gonna play that next. No, I'm gonna play that now. It's my song right here, man. 22300. This mix right here. Shout out to Iz. Shout out to Iz. So might see like a something here. I do believe we can move up in here pretty nicely, like we are right now. We got this bear short of block. We're probably, you know, right up in there. Can't imagine this being a bear short manipulation lane. Although we did take out Southside from yesterday, so it's we call for an hourly time frame. Look at that wick. Look at that move up. All right, so measure this first leg right here. Fib. Come right down, respecting this fair value gap here. So this respects buy side has been taken out. Fair value gap is formed. Moving this fair value gap. Let's see if this can act as support. But are we in premium discount? Premium. And we have this fair value gap here. Just move into. No, it's gonna inverse. I don't know. Look how we're respecting his body on the fair value gap. So I'll take a short here. And stop loss will be above this out here. Take profit will be this low here. So it's just a quick little scalp trade. Again, this is paper trading, right? This isn't real funds. I'm practicing the right habits. And this fair value gap was never inverse, so that was a bit too early. And the side's gonna be taken. Whoa, to my free resets. All right, stop loss was hit. And yep, we're getting out of that. hmm We got these sides up here. Bear short of block. That's the 15. And run into this fair value gap on the 15. So we kind of inversed. A move down first is expected. So we barely inversed that. So come down to mean threshold or cosmic cross from here. No mean threshold is permissible. These guys are talking about VWAP. Bless their souls. New York Open. Bear short of block. Buy side, sell side quarter here. Let's see if we can get a short position. What would the short position look like? We want a 5 minute change instead of delivery, which means green candle up, and then we close below it. Right, that's one. Then on, of course, lower time frame, 2022. Run up, boom, take out sell side, come down. run back in, come down. Let's see what they're talking about. All right, so right now I don't see anything. Just moving sideways on both time frames. What we can see here is, so my short position would still be in here, right at the low of this fair value gap. No. Anyways, you can see it says a change in state of delivery, ran into it, boom, move down. This would be, if we close below, this would be it. Also change in state of delivery, bear short of block. But again, this is only 1 minute, right? You want to see this happen on the five, and the reason why we can't focus on the five because we're not patient enough to wait for things to happen on the five, and then that's where we get caught up and get just smacked around and all that silly shit. So I don't know, moving up and down, that's fine with me. One can see this as a retracement leg back down, boom. Here we have this fair value gap here. So um, I don't see anything that would get me in this and then keep me in this. So anyways, um, so again, you asked the question. Hold on, let's go back to this. You asked the question, where do we look for an entry? Here. And we want to say, so we could get a sweep here. Yeah, look at this. Run up, boom, boom. This is looking strong. So we saw this here, boom. Saw this here again, boom. Just playing optical trade entry. We're coming for this here. Bear short of black. Let's see. This is hourly bear short of black, so we'll see. Again, taking the optical trade entry model is valid, but we have to be ready for it. And you have to see retracements as not, oh, we're reversing. No, it's a retracement. And then on a higher time frame, what do we have? We're in deep discount, real close to this low resist of this low right here. And on hourly or 15, we're just moving sideways right now. So, anyways, there's nothing in this for me. It's got 10 minutes until that data pops up. Uh, I want like, I don't think Apple has paid. They got pages. Oh, you know what else they got? Keynote. Ooh, look how we get to Cosmic Encroachment's 5 minute. Same with the 15. And if this were the inverse, then I believe we can continue up higher. See, boom, ran up, boom, saw that, boom, saw that. Yep, took out buy side here. Let's go down to 30-second. Any fair value gaps? Take the first one. Boom, 7. So you come down and run back up. Silver bullet. And we could have a train and stay delivery here. I'm getting rid of this. It's a sideways action right now. Data highs, data lows. Still moving sideways. Look at this fair value gap right here. Yeah, it would be nice if these lows were taken out. But look at this. I think we're gonna continue moving up higher. What setup do you see? I mean, we do have expansion in Q3, and we went into this fair value gap here. So again, good idea, but look where you're buying this at. You want to see this here. So you want to identify your fair value gaps first, and then pair that up with the quarter that you're in. Still nothing on the higher time frame to suggest that we have a market maker shift or a breaker. 15 might have a change of state of delivery if we could close above this. Then where would your stop loss be? Mhm. Down here. How many points is this? Jesus Christ. No way. And where do I want to take this to? London highs, head ass. I mean, I like Q4 up here. I like these highs up here, or this fair value gap here on in the 15. So put that there. So, what's the risk to reward ratio looking like? It's looking like shit. But had I gotten in here, I would have gotten out right here, right? Had I gotten in like, let's say right here, I would have gotten out here for 40 point handle, 40 point move. So this is, no, this is not the move, right? Although we will hit this, guarantee. This is only like 8 points. So I sold 4 or 5 of my contracts for the short on ES. I hit my weekly target of 10% week over week. It's a good thing I sold that 'cause look how we're going there. Ooh, 683. All right, so what else do you see? 15 a.m. session. That's the one that's a PM in here. We do have this fair value gap in here that this could be like a short, smart money short here. Relative equal highs up here. So I want to say SMS 15 S smart money short. Ooh, look how we just ran up in there and yes, good place to buy. And look at that. This is why we don't trade this shit. There's no setup whatsoever. Stop loss been taken. Good. Why don't I see my other one? This one here is. I didn't have to do that. Yeah, I didn't have to do that. Yeah. So no, like this. I like how this looks because it shows me these cycles. Although I need to work on that down there. I'll probably do that next. Jeez, look at ES run up into a premium fair value gap. Boom. How many points is that? Shoo. We want to come down here. Anyways, so this is 6. These are 90. So this is 6 hours. And like 50% of this range will be here. There we go. So taking buys up here. Oh, after the fact. Now you want to take a short down here. Oh, after the fact. This is where we look for a long position. What do you want to see return to? Possibly a cost per quotient here. So let's just say, hypothetically speaking, we sell here. Stop loss is right here. Although higher time frame, I am bearish. See? Boom. Wait, what? What just happened? Anyways, higher time frame, I'm bearish. And we're coming down here. We took out change state delivery here, change state delivery. Now we look for any fair value gaps. None. We have one here. We have two here. Oh, they got the free resets. Oh, free reset. Jay's giveaway free. How to reclaim. Claim your reason limit one person. So what is it? Oh, I definitely got to clip that out.